When it comes to machining, designing, or simulating, Fusion 360 is more than just CAD. It's the future of engineering. Here are the top 5 reasons you need to switch to Fusion 360 to get your job done better. From the beginning, Fusion 360 was built with a collaboration-first mindset. While designing with multiple stakeholders internally and externally to your firewall, you can simultaneously work on complex assemblies with a plethora of tools directly within the context of your assembly alongside your peers. Better yet, leave the 90s by sharing your work seamlessly with extended stakeholders outside the firewall safely, simply with a link. They can view it in their browser, which gives them the ability to comment, redline, and markup to ensure you get feedback early in the development process. Products are getting more complex and require more than just traditional CAD tools to get your design to market. Fusion 360 allows you to integrate unlimited workflows from CAD, ECAD, visualization, CAE, documentation, CAM, all within a single tool with full associativity, so a design change made anywhere reflects everywhere, reducing the amount of mundane rework typically required when you go to those partner tools. Next, this is not your traditional CAD tool that couldn't foresee the progression from today's computing advancements. Fusion 360 allows organizations to deploy software, permissions, and data to the essential stakeholders, ensuring security across all essential IP. But as a user, you can access your data anytime on any device simply with your appropriate corporate credentials. Do you remember those days of VPNing or not having access to the right subassembly? Well, those are gone. If you come from one of those traditional CAD tools, you'll be mind blown with the tools we fused into Fusion 360. Experience the freedom of design with integrated modeling techniques. Freeform, surface, parametric, direct, sheet metal, mesh, you name it. Not only do we have it, but they work together in workflows you have never imagined. But it doesn't stop there. Fusion 360 goes beyond its core features by providing an integrated partnership ecosystem, a thriving community, and a wealth of learning resources. These elements work together to cultivate a new wave of designers, engineers, and manufacturers capable of driving business growth regardless of your organization's size. Even extend Fusion 360 with some of Autodesk's advanced extensions to ensure the most complex jobs are completed ahead of schedule. Fusion 360, more than just CAD, we are your partner for creating the future.